Introduction. Armadillos, the little armored ones, in Spanish, are fascinating creatures found in the Americas. With their leathery armor shell and long, sharp claws, they are built for survival. Despite their short legs, they can move pretty quickly, which is quite impressive. These little fellows come in various sizes and colors, from the tiny pink fairy armadillo to the big and burly giant armadillo. Now, let's dive deeper into the hidden lifestyle of these unique creatures. Armadillo anatomy. Armadillos, those little armored ones, are truly fascinating creatures that belong to the New World placental mammals. With their unique leathery armor shell and long, sharp claws, they have a distinctive anatomy that sets them apart from other mammals. Despite having short legs, these quirky creatures can surprisingly move quite quickly. And with their different sizes and colors, they add a splash of diversity to the animal kingdom. So, let's take a closer look at the intriguing anatomy of armadillos and see what makes them so special. Armadillos are known for their leathery armor shell, which covers not only their backs but also their heads, legs, and even their tails. This bony plate not only serves as protection but also gives them a distinctive appearance. Imagine having your own built-in armor wherever you go. Speaking of convenience, armadillos also have long, sharp claws that are perfect for digging. Need to find some buried treasure? These claws have got you covered. Despite having short legs, armadillos are surprisingly agile and can scurry around with ease. And the best part? They come in different sizes and colors. From the tiny pink fairy armadillo to the mighty giant armadillo, there's a variety for everyone's taste. So, there you have it, the fascinating anatomy of armadillos. Their unique leathery armor shell, long, sharp claws, short legs, and diverse sizes and colors make them one of the most intriguing creatures on the planet. Stay tuned to delve deeper into the hidden lifestyle of these little armored ones. Armadillo behavior. Armadillos, the little armored ones, have some fascinating behaviors that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. When faced with a predator, these clever critters have a unique defense mechanism. They roll up into a snug little ball. It's like they're saying, "Bring it on, Mr. Predator, I'm ready for you." This ball-like defense shields their vulnerable underbelly and leaves the predator puzzled and frustrated. But that's not all. Armadillos are also fantastic diggers. With their long, sharp claws, they can easily dig into the ground in search of food or to create cozy burrows for themselves. Don't underestimate them because of their short legs. These little warriors can move surprisingly fast when they need to. It's like they have their own secret turbo boost. The behavior of armadillos is truly intriguing. They are capable of rolling up into a ball for protection, possess impressive digging skills, and can zip around with their short legs. It's amazing how nature has equipped these little armored ones with such fascinating abilities. So next time you come across an armadillo, don't forget to appreciate their unique behaviors and salute them for their quirkiness. Armadillo habitat. Armadillos are native to the Americas and are found in a variety of different environments. From dense forests to open grasslands, these little armored ones have managed to adapt and thrive in various habitats. Whether it's the humid rainforests of South America or the arid deserts of North America, armadillos have made themselves at home. They can even be found in urban areas, causing some trouble for property owners and managers with their burrowing habits. It's fascinating to see how these creatures have managed to carve out a niche for themselves in such diverse surroundings. They truly are the versatile adventurers of the animal kingdom. Armadillo diet. So, let's dig into the fascinating world of armadillos and explore their unique eating habits. These little armored critters are omnivores, which means they have a diverse palate. They aren't picky eaters like those culinary snobs we all know. Armadillos enjoy a mix of insects, plants, and small animals. Yummy, right? Just imagine the armadillo's gourmet feast consisting of juicy ants, mouth-watering beetles, and delectable termites. And let's not forget their hearty plant-based diet, chowing down on tasty fruits, nuts, and even some leafy greens. But wait, there's more. These daredevil eaters are not afraid to nom on small animals like lizards, snakes, and even the occasional frog or bird. Talk about being versatile foodies. So, armadillos are like the food connoisseurs of the animal kingdom, sampling a little bit of everything. They truly embrace the gastronomic wonders of the wildlife buffet. But hey, don't be too quick to judge their food choices. After all, armadillos have been surviving and thriving for millions of years on this eclectic diet. They're the true masters of the culinary arts when it comes to their unique and diverse taste in food. So, next time you see an armadillo on a culinary adventure, just nod in respect for their adventurous taste buds. And maybe, just maybe, take a moment to appreciate their ability to stay true to their omnivorous nature. Bon appetit, little armored ones. Armadillo reproduction. Armadillos have a unique reproductive trait known as polyembryony. What does that mean? Well, it means that when a female armadillo is impregnated, her embryos divide into 4 genetically identical offspring. Yes, you heard it right. One egg results in 4 identical babies. Talk about efficiency. This fascinating phenomenon is only observed within the Dasypus genus and not in all armadillos. So, next time you see a group of 4 armadillo young ones, you can bet that they are genetically identical siblings. It's like having an instant squad, ready to take on the world together. Imagine conducting scientific experiments on these little critters. Since they are genetically identical, they provide perfect subjects for consistent and reliable tests. They're like the Kardashians of the animal kingdom, but without the drama. Well, at least we hope so. But let's not forget that armadillos are not just lab specimens. They have some serious survival skills too. When threatened, certain species of armadillos, called toliputes, have the ability to roll up into a ball. Talk about self-protection in style. Guess they didn't get the memo that it's not trendy anymore. So, remember, the next time you spot an armadillo rolling around or digging up your backyard, appreciate their unique and quirky nature. After all, they are the little armored ones with a lot more surprises up their leathery sleeves. Fun facts about armadillos. Did you know that armadillos have a knack for high jumps? Yeah, who would have thought that these little armored creatures could give kangaroos a run for their money? But it's true, armadillos have a peculiar habit of leaping vertically when they get startled. And guess what? This often leads them to collide with the underside of vehicles. Talk about extreme sports. But wait, there's more. Armadillos are not just good at becoming roadkill, they're also great musicians. Well, not really. But their shells have traditionally been used to make the back of a unique musical instrument called a charango. I guess someone had the idea that playing music on an armadillo shell would enhance the sound. Can't say I blame them for trying. And if you happen to find yourself in certain parts of Central and South America, don't be surprised if you come across armadillo meat on the menu. Apparently, it's a popular ingredient in Oaxaca, Mexico. So, if you're feeling adventurous and want to try a taste of the wild side, go ahead and dig in. Armadillos have also found their way into literature and songs. Rudyard Kipling even dedicated a chapter to them in his book, Just So Stories, where he whimsically explains the beginning of the armadillos. And the duo Flanders and Swan even recorded a humorous song called The Armadillo. Who knew these little armored ones could be so inspiring? So, there you have it, some fun and quirky facts about our little armored friends, the armadillos. They may not be the most graceful creatures, but they sure know how to make an impact, whether it's on the road or in the music world. Talk about leaving a lasting impression. Conclusion. Well, there you have it, folks. We've unraveled the mysterious world of armadillos and discovered some fascinating facts about these little armored ones. From their leathery armor shell to their quick movement despite their short legs, armadillos are truly unique creatures. We've also learned that they are omnivorous, feasting on a variety of insects, plants, and even small animals. But what sets them apart is their reproductive ability, polyembryony, which means they can have genetically identical offspring. And let's not forget their interesting cultural significance, from being used to make musical instruments to being consumed as delicacies in certain regions. So, the next time you see an armadillo on the road, remember to give it the right of way, or you might end up with some armadillo-induced vehicle modifications. And hey, why not pick up an armadillo shell guitar and strum a tune while you feast on some armadillo meat? Just kidding, let's leave the eating to the armadillos. But do appreciate these unique creatures for their quirkiness and ability to survive in different environments. Armadillos may be little, but they sure are a force to be reckoned with in the animal kingdom. That's it for now, folks. Stay curious, stay wild, and keep adventuring into the fascinating world of nature. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content, and remember, there's always more to discover, even in the tiniest of creatures like the armadillo.